You've been dressing wrong your entire life, and it's not even your fault. There is a silent set of rules, an algorithm that only 1% of men actually know how to use. So in today's video, I'm gonna give you access to these 7 hidden style secrets of this algorithm so you can start dressing better today. Start with style code number 1. The rule of thirds. Use the rule of thirds to instantly look more attractive because you're not built wrong. Your outfit proportions are. Most guys will accidentally cut their body in half, which just makes them look shorter and sloppier. There is a simple fix called the rule of thirds, and once you see it, you can never unsee it. Here's how it works. Your outfit should be 1/3 top and 2/3 bottom. It creates visual harmony. It elongates your legs, and consequently, it makes you look more attractive. So just watch this. In this outfit, the t-shirt drops way below my button fly. That just makes my legs look short because I'm cutting my body in half. Instead, you want to opt for shirts that stop right at the bottom of your pants belt loop. You could do this for free by just tucking your shirt in, or you could swap your traditional shirts for a boxy crop shirt. And suddenly, your legs will look longer, your posture will look better, and your style just 10x'd. This works every time because only a select few group of men understand the rule of thirds. And now, you're part of that group, but I'm just getting started because there's 6 more style codes I need you to understand so you're the best dressed guy in any room. Style code number 2. I call this the short guy algorithm. Being short is not the problem is your style choices. So here are 4 things all short guys need to avoid because the 1% of short guys that actually dress well, they follow a completely different set of rules. These are rules that actually lengthen their visual frame and remove any visual cuts. So here's the 4 hacks for the short guy algorithm. 1. No pant stacking. Your pants should have no visual break at the ankle because visual stacking not only creates clutter at the bottom, but makes you look shorter. These jeans that you see on that look perfect, they're from a company called 32 Degrees. They're made from a sweatpant-like fabric, so they're not even jeans, but I want you to really just focus on the fit of it, straight out the bag. And also they're less than like 20 bucks. Rule 2, start with layers. You wanna use thick base pieces like flannels, denim jackets, or bombers to add visual weight to your body frame. 3, control your neckline. You want to skip the V-necks. You should only use circle cut t-shirts that make your chest and your shoulders look broader. This is a good example of a good basic tee. It's also from 32 Degrees, and also they're less than like $5. So price point will not be your issue. And 4, you have to nail the shoulder seam. Your t-shirt seam should hit the edge of your shoulder, not drop past it. That drop just makes you look like you're drowning in your clothes, and if you're a short guy, that's not what you want. Style code number 3, the light dark formula. Remember, light dark the next time you put together an outfit. This hidden formula is the one that only the best dressed men follow almost automatically. And once you see and understand it, you can steal it for yourself. This is called the light dark rule. And here's how it works. It's so easy, bro, that you won't believe that you didn't know this earlier. You're gonna pick 2 light colors. Out of all the light colors you own, pick 2 of them. Then you're gonna pick 1 dark color. This contrast between the 2 guides the eye and creates a balanced outfit every time that looks effortless. So once you have them, you can wear them however you want. You can use a sandwich method where you use light on top, dark in the middle, and light at the bottom for your shoes. Or you can even flip it. You can use light shoes, light pants, and a dark top. Which, by the way, the bottoms that you see, these are also from 32 Degrees, that same sweatpant fabric, and also they're less than like 20 bucks. You could even wear an all light outfit and just add a dark watch, a dark bag, or even a dark hat. I'm telling you, the 1% of stylish guys use this almost like a default system, especially in spring and fall because it makes every outfit look effortless. Almost like you're just a stylish guy by accident. Style code number 4, look expensive with basic clothes. Here is why your clothes just looks cheap. And then I'm gonna show you 3 hacks to make the clothes that you already own look expensive. As a matter of fact, you'll catch me out in public wearing a $4 t-shirt, $10 pants, and I will still look put together. You'll never know they're that cheap because I follow these 3 hacks. Hack 1, I always use matte fabrics. Shiny fabrics and wrinkles, they instantly cheapen out your outfit. You always want to go for a matte fabric with a clean drape that fits good. Remember that $5 t-shirt from 32 Degrees? It's called the Cool Crew Tee. Notice how it just skims and hugs my chest. It falls clean through the midsection, so it hides imperfection. Then it's made with the super lightweight and cool material that hugs the biceps, but the best part, and it's literally $5. And over 1 million guys wear this brand because the cut is meant to flatter most guys' bodies. Which takes me to the second hack, fit over brand. It doesn't matter if your pants are $300. If they sag, if they're skin tight, they will look sloppy and cheap. If you want your pants to look expensive, go for a modern taper, a straight cut that doesn't stack at the bottom. These pants are the biggest cheat code I found this year. They're called the sweatpant jeans. They're from 32 Degrees. They move and they feel like joggers, but they have that dark, clean denim look. The brand, they call it Comfort Science because they use athletic wear tech in your everyday basics. And these, they're under $20. Hack number 3, elevate your look with a collar. To dress better than every other dude, you just have to do one thing: add a collar. If you're in a basic t-shirt and you want to feel a little bit more elevated with no extra effort, just add a shirt collar. For me, the polo fixes that. It's a staple, especially in a lightweight fabric that fits the body well, that doesn't trap heat, and it's wrinkle-free. You're basically wearing a t-shirt and you're just as comfortable, but that collar levels up your outfit. And by the way, I got you hooked up as well. This polo, $7 from 32 Degrees. It fits incredible, it's super lightweight, and it feels like you're still in a t-shirt. If you're trying to rebuild your wardrobe from the ground up, 32 Degrees is the best place to start. And right now, they're even having a sale. You can click the link in the description to check them out, but you can buy all 3 pieces I just showed you, the polo, the tee, and the pants, for under $30, essentially revamping your wardrobe for the cost of one shirt that you'd probably pay at H&M. If you guys want to check out 32 Degrees, I'd run and click that link down below. Style code number 5, the wash and wear sabotage. You are ruining your clothes every time you wear them. And you're not ruining those outfits in the streets, you're ruining them in your own closet. So here's 3 things you're doing right now that makes your clothes worse every time you wear them. Sabotage number 1, you're hanging your heavy knits. Your sweaters and knit shirts, they should never be hung. Gravity will pull them down and will create something that are called shoulder nipples. They're awkward lumps and they ruin the shape of your sweater. You should always fold them. Sabotage number 2, using fabric softener on activewear. The fabric softener coats clothes in a waxy film that will trap sweat, bacteria, and odor. So that's why when you go to the gym and you sweat again, the shirt, it always smells bad even though you just washed it. The solution, instead of softener, use a cup of vinegar in your sweaty clothes. It'll neutralize the bacteria and leave your clothes smelling fresh. Sabotage number 3, you're washing your sweaters regularly. Washing your sweaters outside in. That pilling that happens on the fabric of your sweaters and that lint that you pull out of your dryer, you are literally damaging the exterior of your clothes, and all of that is the fabric wearing away. So you shouldn't wash it after every wear. As a matter of fact, the rule is your jeans, you should wash every 10 wears. Your sweaters, you should wash every 5 wears. Your t-shirts and shirts, you should wash every 2 to 3 wears. And your underwear, never washed. If you kept a straight face here and you didn't even grimace, bro, you got a problem. Wash your underwear every time. Style code number 6, the brand style seed bracket. I built an 8 vs 8 style brand bracket. Luxury brands on the left and fast fashion on the right. They're gonna battle round by round, not by price, but by who actually makes you look cleaner, more expensive, and better style.
Louis Vuitton, Hermes,
Bro, stop it. Hermes, bro.
Chanel, Dior,
Dior.
Gucci or Prada,
Prada.
Shein or Zara,
Zara.
H&M or Uniqlo,
Uniqlo. Easy.
Forever 21 or Mango,
Ango.
Primark or Pull&Bear,
Pull&Bear.
Hermes, Dior,
Stop. Dior.
Prada versus Burberry,
Prada.
Zara or Uniqlo,
Uniqlo.
Mango versus Pull&Bear,
Mango.
Dior versus Prada,
Dior.
Uniqlo or Mango,
Uniqlo.
Dior or Uniqlo.
Uniqlo. Look, Dior's amazing, but you're paying $1,200 for a shirt. Uniqlo, $19.99. Here's the truth. When you understand how to build the fit with those secrets that I've shared in this video, you can build it for 5% of the cost of designer brands. So it's not the brand that makes the fit look expensive. 32 Degrees is the best place to start. And right now, they're even having a sale. You can click the link in the description to check them out, but you can buy all 3 pieces I just showed you, the polo, the tee, and the pants, for under $30, essentially revamping your wardrobe for the cost of one shirt that you'd probably pay at H&M. If you guys want to check out 32 Degrees, I'd run and click that link down below. Which takes us to style code number 7, the fit map, dressing for your body type. If you're skinny, fat, or short, here's exactly how you should dress. What I'm about to show you is the real style algorithm stylish guys use that no one talks about. It's called the fit map. So there's the 3 fit types. You're skinny, you're overweight, or you're short. Let's start with fit type number 1, skinny. Common mistakes that I see all the time is wearing baggy jeans, wearing V-neck shirt, and not layering, which means no volume. So here's how you're gonna fix it. You're gonna use only crew necks that builds your upper body. You're gonna use more thick textures like denim jackets, flannels, bombers. You're gonna wear lighter colors that adds volume visually, and you're gonna avoid skinny jeans and opt for a straight cut. The result? You're gonna have a broader, more balanced shape without the need to put on muscle. Fit type number 2 is for the heavy set guy. Common mistakes I see all the time: overly tight or overly baggy clothes, loud prints, or short tops. Here's how you should fix it. Stick to darker tones: navy, charcoal, black. Go for vertical textures or subtle prints. Prioritize clean shoulder seams and longer cuts, and use contrast sparingly. Monochromatic fits look better. The result? You're gonna have a leaner profile and a cleaner silhouette. And fit type 3 is for the short frame. Common mistakes I see all the time: stacked pants, oversized shorts, and high contrast fits that cut your frame down. The fix? Your shirts should end mid-fly. Your pants should have no break, and you should avoid stark contrast and keep a monochromatic fit. The result? You're gonna look taller and more proportionate. The point here is, you don't need more clothes. You just need to understand the 7 style codes I shared with you in this video so you can dress like the 1% of men that are actually stylish.